Bonjour tout le monde. Et on va aller en ville. En ville means in town. What do we do and where do we do it? Un endroit. This word means a place or location. It's the word you would use to specifically ask where something is. An example? À quel endroit est le concert? At which place is the concert? Un endroit. Endroit. Un événement. An event, right? Could be a concert, show, exposition, fair, game, etc. À quel événement aimes-tu aller? To which events do you like to go? Événement, événement. Un concert. On assiste à un concert au stade ou au théâtre. A théâtre is a place where you have live people actually on the stage, not like on a screen as in the cinema. So that's totally different. Un film. On voit un film au cinéma. Cinema is strictly for films. Un match. On joue au foot au terrain de foot. On joue au hockey à la patinoire. On joue au basket dans le gym. On va au café pour rencontrer des amis. Au café. Un pique-nique. Pique-nique. On fait un pique-nique à la campagne, in the countryside. Un rendez-vous. On peut faire un rendez-vous intime au restaurant. That would be like a date, an intimate meeting. Mais aussi, on peut faire un rendez-vous d'affaires au bureau. Rendez-vous d'affaires is going to be a business meeting, which you would do at the office. Please note, a bureau can be a desk with drawers. It can also be an office, as in the FBI, which is the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Who knew? Okay. Une boom is a party. On peut faire une boom n'importe où, anywhere, n'importe où. Une boom. Une fête. On peut faire une fête n'importe où. Une fête is going to be more of a formal dress-up occasion, like a prom or a wedding reception or like an engagement party type of thing where people get dressed up. Une soirée is like a big splash out, like the fireworks for 4th of July or Colton Country Days, that sort of thing. So the verbs that we would use. Arriver means to arrive, which kind of makes sense because it looks like to arrive. Rentrer is to go back or to come back, and it's basically re-enter, re-enter. If you re-enter something, you're coming back or going back, right? Rester is a little bit of a false cognate because it means to stay, to stay. Like I'm staying here. Je reste à la maison. Je reste ici. Oops, look. So how do we get places? We can go à pied. À pied, on arrive au parc à pied et on promène le chien. Oui. À vélo. Oui. En voiture. Typique here. It's very typique. En bus. We all travel en bus. En train. We don't have a lot of trains up here for passenger. And by the way, this is a monorail in Sydney. And this one goes to Darling Harbour, which is a really pretty place in Sydney. A metro, which is the subway. And we don't have subways in the North Country. I think the only subway in New York State is in the city. And New York City subway is very confusing for Madame. Okay. I like the subway. London, Paris, I'm all over it. But New York City, too much, yeah. Un taxi. Now, when I'm in New York City, that's how I travel. Un taxi, oui. Ok, on peut faire une promenade à pied. On peut faire une promenade à vélo. On peut faire une promenade à voiture. Et le voilà. And that is the end. Au revoir.